To get 30% off everything. BrickhouseNutrition.com. Promo code OFFER.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you might be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you that money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all the work, charge not a dime up front, and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get for you. Businesses of all types qualify, including those who took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help your business too. Just go to GetRefunds.com and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to GetRefunds.com. That's GetRefunds.com.
Hacer las cosas a medias no funciona. Por ejemplo, ¿le darías a tu hijo medio casco de bicicleta? Protege tu inmunidad contra el COVID-19. Mantente al día con tus vacunas y refuerzos. Visita myturn.ca.gov.
Is your TV craving for an audio upgrade? Well, you're in luck. For a limited time, you can get the incredible room-filling sound of a Vizio soundbar at Walmart for just $148. That's a $70 discount, folks. The 5.1-channel Vizio V-Series soundbar delivers powerful sound from movies, and you can stream music from your free iHeartRadio app and experience music that surrounds you. With Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X, your room is about to get a serious upgrade. This offer is available right now, so hurry into a Walmart before they're all gone.
Cozy up to a cup of Starbucks caramel brulee latte. Whipped cream, crunchy caramel brulee toppings, steamed milk, and espresso. Just bring your own comfy sweater. Find your cheer on the Starbucks app today.
Flags at half-staff in Virginia. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. Governor Glenn Youngkin ordering the tribute through Sunday to pay respects to victims and their families after the mass shooting at a Walmart.
Eyewitnesses say it was a store manager that opened fire on fellow employees in a break room of the Walmart in Chesapeake, Virginia last night. 6 people were killed and 4 others are hospitalized. Kevin Harper works there and spoke about what happened on Facebook Live.
Just left out the break room, manager come in there, started capping people up in there, started shooting, bro.
Chesapeake Police Chief Mark Selesky confirmed that the gunman worked at the Walmart and apparently took his own life. Selesky did not confirm whether the victims were all employees of the store.
Fox's Tanya J. Powers. President Biden says the nation must come together to stand against gun violence and that he and the First Lady grieve for the families and community. Most Ukrainians now have no power after Russia's latest attacks forced the last 3 fully functioning nuclear power plants to disconnect from the grid. Officials in the capital, Kyiv, reporting at least 3 people killed. This as the U.S. announces another $400 million in military assistance, the latest drawdown from U.S. defense inventories, pushing total military aid to nearly $20 billion so far. Russia's being designated a state sponsor of terrorism by the European Parliament, a largely symbolic resolution arguing that Russia's military strikes on civilian targets violate international law. Shortly after the vote, a cyber attack on the Parliament website, a pro-Kremlin group claiming responsibility. The White House offering help to Israel's government after twin terror attacks.
The Biden administration is condemning terror attacks targeting bus stops in Jerusalem overnight. Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre says the U.S. is offering assistance as Israel investigates the attack and works to bring the perpetrators to justice.
Fox's Jared Halpern. The bombings killing a teenager, injuring at least 18. America's listening to Fox News.
Do you find yourself stuck in a timeshare? Get the real facts about the timeshare industry and your options for cancellation. Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, beat the largest timeshare company in federal court and has put together a free information guide that reveals the secrets the timeshare industry doesn't want you to know, including the 5 ways to get rid of your timeshare. Call now and get this timeshare cancellation guide absolutely free.
Call 800-838-1441. That's 800-838-1441. Delta Technologies Black Friday event has arrived with select deals on top tech to power business productivity. The savings start now with up to 50% off select performance business PCs powered by 12th gen Intel Core processors. Don't forget special pricing on the latest monitors, docks, and accessories, including free shipping on everything. Call a Dell Technologies advisor at 877-ASK-DELL for Black Friday deals. That's 877-ASK-DELL.
Hacer las cosas a medias no funciona. Por ejemplo, ¿le darías a tu hijo medio casco de bicicleta? Protege tu inmunidad contra el COVID-19. Mantente al día con tus vacunas y refuerzos. Visita myturn.ca.gov.
Is your TV craving for an audio upgrade? Well, you're in luck. For a limited time, you can get the incredible room-filling sound of a Vizio soundbar at Walmart for just $148. That's a $70 discount, folks. The 5.1-channel Vizio V-Series soundbar delivers powerful sound from movies, and you can stream music from your free iHeartRadio app and experience music that surrounds you. With Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X, your room is about to get a serious upgrade. This offer is available right now, so hurry into a Walmart before they're all gone.
Sip your way into the holiday spirit with Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. Sweet creamy whip, a chocolatey swirl, a dash of peppermint, steamed milk, and espresso. It's a little gift to give yourself. Find your cheer on the Starbucks app today.
Dancing crew, trip for two, nailed the final interview. Game with Doug, brand new mug. Come here, kid, give me a hug. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. Boosters designed for COVID-19 variants are now available. If you've had your primary series, schedule an updated COVID-19 booster appointment as soon as you're eligible. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Alexa's here for the holidays. Bring a little holiday magic from Alexa and set the tone for an elevated gathering surrounded by your favorite people to celebrate the season. Be ready to give thanks and play the perfect soundtrack for your Thanksgiving dinner. We'll keep your guests humming these classic jazz hits all night. Just ask, Alexa, play vinyl jazz on iHeartRadio. And let Alexa handle the little things this season so you can enjoy them. Just say, Alexa, play vinyl jazz on iHeartRadio.
Grab the keys to a new Toyota. Take advantage of low 3.49% APR financing while it lasts on RAV4, Camry, Highlander, and Tacoma. Toyota, let's go places. Click the banner or visit buyatoyota.com for details.
I know cars, baseball, and how to make my grandson laugh. I also know if you have prostate cancer, consider talking to your doctor about Xtandi and Zolutamide.
Xtandi 40 milligram tablets treats men with prostate cancer that has spread to other parts of the body and responds to a medical or surgical treatment to lower testosterone. Xtandi may cause serious side effects, including seizure, a brain condition called PRES, allergic reactions, heart disease that can lead to death, falls, and fractures. Stop taking Xtandi and get medical help right away if you develop swelling of the face, tongue, lip, or throat. Tell your doctor right away if you have loss of consciousness, seizure, quickly worsening headache, decreased alertness, confusion, vision problems, chest pain or discomfort, or shortness of breath. Xtandi can cause harm to an unborn baby or miscarriage. Use birth control during and for 3 months after treatment. Common side effects include weakness, feeling unusually tired, back and joint pain, hot flashes, constipation, decreased appetite, diarrhea, and high blood pressure. Talk to your doctor and visit.
I know, get it. That's perfect.